Focusing Operation Guide. The focusing tutorial starts from the right eye to the left eye. Turn on the LED light and place the object in the center of the LED light's illumination. Rotate the adjustable eyepiece ring to the 0 mark position. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the minimum magnification. Observe the object through the eyepiece. And if the image is not clear, rotate the focus handwheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the maximum magnification. Observing through the right eyepiece, if the image is not clear, rotate the focusing handwheel to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the minimum magnification. If the image is not clear through the right eyepiece, rotate the right adjustable eyepiece ring to make the object clear. Rotate the zoom handwheel again to the maximum magnification. If the image is not clear through the right eyepiece, repeat the adjustment steps just now. After achieving a clear image by focusing with your right eye, adjust the focus for your left eye. Rotate the zoom handwheel to the minimum magnification. Observing through the left eyepiece, if the image is not clear, rotate the left adjustable eyepiece ring to make the image clear. Hold the eyepiece with your hand and adjust it until you are comfortable with your eyes. To adjust the tightness of the focusing handwheel, hold the handwheel with one hand and rotate it. With the other, tighten by rotating clockwise and loosen by rotating counterclockwise.